Hey everyone, Lowell here from smartoptionseller.com. Welcome to 2025. This is the first video I'm making for 2025. So the goal for most people, or a lot of people I should say, is to become a millionaire. Okay, that's the goal. That seems to be the number that most people will try to strive for, $1 million. And a lot of people don't understand how they can get to $1 million. They know that they can work and save their whole lives and still never get to $1 million. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to become a millionaire by using a very simple and passive tool and a very passive way to get to $1 million as well. Now, I made a video similar to this a few months ago, and people have asked me to expand on it a little bit. They want a little more information, so I'm going to go over this topic again. So, you come to YouTube to solve a problem, and the problem here is how to make $1 million or how to become a millionaire. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, let's get started right now. What you see in front of you is an investment calculator. This is one of the easiest ways to figure out what you need to do to become a millionaire. All right. So here is the website calculator.net, and it's got this long thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm in the description below this video, I'm going to put in a link to this calculator, the website, so you can easily get to it. One of the things that people don't understand about becoming a millionaire is that it can be quite an easy process. Now, there's no guarantees, of course, but most people, I say the problem is that they don't have a plan to become a millionaire. They have these ideas that I just want to make money, I want to become a millionaire, but they don't know how to do it. This video will give you a head start and a plan on how to actually do it. If you don't have a plan, how are you going to get there? You have to have some kind of concrete execution of how to do something, right? If you want to learn how to drive a car, you learn how to drive a car. You have someone show you how to do it. If you want to become an expert in how to fix sinks, you got to figure out how to fix the sinks. So if you want to become a millionaire, you have to know how to become a millionaire. And this is one of the best ways to do it. So an investment calculator can show you how much money you need to put away in savings per month or per year to reach a certain end goal. And this is the best way to come up with a plan for yourself. What you need to do is that you need to be able to put away savings and have a certain amount of return percentage per year or per month to get to that goal of $1 million. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to use this investment calculator to get to your goals of becoming a millionaire. All right. So the way to use this, once you're in this investment calculator, there's different tabs here. I'm going to show you how you can use some of them. But the first tab is the end amount. So you want to know how much you have to start with, how much money you got to start with, how many years you're going to, now this is investing, okay? How many years you're going to invest for, what the return rate you're hoping for, and how much you're going to put away per month, okay? So you have to start out with some numbers here, okay? So we're using some assumptions. Most people, start out with $0. They have no money. So I'm going to make the assumption that you're starting with $0. And the other thing that's really, really, really important if you want to become a millionaire is that time is extremely important. So the earlier you start to your savings plan, your investment plan, the better you will be. So in this case, and I'm talking about the U.S. here, the retirement age, I should say the normal retirement age for most people in the U.S. is 67 years of age. So in this example that I'm going to use, I'm assuming that once you've graduated college, and I'm making that assumption that you're graduating college or you have some kind of schooling behind you, and you get a job when you're about 22 years old, okay? And if the retirement age is 67, you're going to have about 45 years of savings under your belt. Okay, that's a great thing. If you can start in your 20s, that's the best thing that you can do. The longer you wait to save, the harder it is for you to become a millionaire. and you're going to have to put more money away the longer that you put it off. So starting early is the most important thing. Time is of the essence, okay? The longer you have, the better. So how do we use the investment calculator? So I'm assuming that you're starting with $0 in your wallet. You're going to have 45 years to invest. And the return rate that you're seeking in this case is 8.5% per year. Okay, now there's a number of different ways that you can get returns on your money. You can just plunk it in a bank. Some banks are paying still less than 1% interest per year. If you have an online bank account, which is a great thing to do, I have money in an online bank account. These online bank accounts are paying like 4 to 5% per year right now, which is great, incredible. Okay, so if you're looking to put money away, look at an online bank versus like a big commercial bank. You can invest in gold. You can invest in real estate, but the best way to get long-term best returns is to invest in the stock market. And the easiest way to do that is to passively invest in an S&P 500 fund, okay? Out of all the types of investments in the world, investing in the stock market, as scary as that might sound to some of you, investing in the stock market is the best way to get a long-term good return on your money. Now, where did I come up with this return rate of 8.5%? The long-term return of investing in the stock market, I'm talking just in an S&P 500 fund. Now, what I want to show you is if I did a quick little Google search on, what are the returns of the S&P 500 over the last 50 years? Here's the question right here. The S&P 500 has delivered an annual return of 10% per year since 1957. When adjusted for inflation, the real return drops down to 6.37%. Okay. Now, if you take a midpoint of that, it's roughly 8 to 9% or 8.5%. That's what I put in the calculator. Now, I also did a Chat GPT thing here using AI, Chat GPT, and I said, what is the annual return for the S&P 500 over the last 50 years, and put the results in the table format. Now, if you don't know Chat GPT, it's a great way to just ask any questions and you'll get an answer. So here's the returns of the stock market, the S&P 500 over the last 50 years by year. And you can see 2024 was a great year, 25% return. So some years you're going to get a much higher return than 8.5%, and some years you'll get less. So you can scroll through here. You can see the actual returns per year, okay, going back about 50 years. And we know that in the 2008, we had, the financial crisis. And then the late 1990s, 2000, we had a couple years which were really bad. And then other than that, and even in COVID in 2020, we still had an 18.4% return during COVID. That's insane. So you scroll back and here's what they said. Over this 50-year period, the S&P 500 has achieved an annual return of approximately 11.8%, assuming dividends are reinvested. So when you invest in the stock market, the company gives the shareholders back part of the profits as dividends. So if you reinvest those dividends, you're going to get an even little better return. And then it's important to note that the returns do not account for inflation. When adjusting for inflation, the return is about 7.8%. So it's 7.8 to 11.8. So you got something in the middle. So these are the numbers that I came up with. So we go back to the investment calculator. I'm using 8.5% as that return. Now, if you know anything about investing, the stock market, as I said, is going to give you the best overall highest return over the long run, better than gold, real estate, any other things that you can think of, T-bonds, treasury bills, whatever. All right. Don't be afraid of the stock market. Passive investing in an S&P 500 is your best friend for the long term, starting as early as you can. Okay, so in this case, we're going to invest monthly and you're going to invest $160 at the beginning of each month. So you're 22 years old, you have a job, you have to pay for, if you're on your own, you pay for your rent, your utilities, your TV, all your subscriptions, Hulu, Amazon, whatever, Spotify. You have to look at your investment as an expense as well, and you have to allot money for that. There's no bargaining on that. You have to have investing as one of your expenses. You have to think of it as an expense. So in this case, if you can come up with $160 to invest at the beginning of each month for 45 years, getting an 8.5% annual average return, you will end up with $1 million in 45 years. Now, this is on top of the money that you will accumulate from your job or jobs over those 45 years. So this is not the only income you will have. You will also have income that you've saved up from your job also. Now, I know we are at the Smart Options Seller. We are an options trading company. So we put this, me personally, I put this plan into place, but I also use options as a way to enhance these returns as well. I'm going to talk a little bit about our website in a few minutes. So after 45 years, putting away $160 a month, and this doesn't mean that you can't put more away as your income goes up, you will end up with $1 million just from this passive type of savings. Okay, that is your savings plan. And as I said, you'll have even more than that because you'll have money from your job as well. And you can look down here. Okay, so here's the schedule. Your first year, you can look at starting with a monthly schedule. You're going to put $160 away. This is how much you'll earn in interest. Here's your balance. Okay. And then the next month, you're going to put in another $160. You'll have interest earned and it just snowballs. Okay. So we'll look at the annual schedule. So here's how much you'll have at the end of each year. And at the end of 45 years, you'll have your $1 million. Okay. And here's how much you'll get in interest. You'll get $81,000 in interest. And this also shows how much you're going to contribute over the 45 years. You're only putting in $86,000. That's how much you're putting in. But look how much interest you're going to get over those years, $919,000, almost $920,000. So the earlier you start, the better. Okay. Now just look at it this way. Let's just say you had $100 that you started with. Okay. And you can put away, let's say $250 a month, and you calculate, now you're having $1.5 million. Okay. So you start with a little bit more, you put in a little bit more, you're going to end up with more. All right. So let's look at some of these other tabs here and see what you can do. Now, in this case, the additional contribution tab, your target, you put in $1 million, you're starting with $100, 45 years, 8.5%. And your goal is going to put in monthly. It tells you how much you'll have to put in each month. So in this case, it's $158.34. The prior tab, I put in $160 because I knew what this number was already. So here's how much you'll get. You'll get $1 million, okay? And if you wanted to, if your goal was, let's just say you started with $1,000, let's just say you had some money from birthdays saved up, or, you got some presents, calculate. So now you only need $151 per month. So this will tell you how much you need to put in each month, what your goal is. Now, if your goal is $2 million, we'd assume it'd probably be double that. And so you're going to have to put in $310 per month. Okay. Return rate, if you want $1 million after 45 years and you're starting with $100 and you're going to put in, let's say $160, like we said before, your return, you have to get a return of 8.8%. Okay, so you're starting to see how some of the numbers I used in that original equation comes to light here. You have to figure out where you want to put your money to get the returns. Now, if you're just putting your money in the bank and you're getting, 1% or less per year in interest, it's going to take you a really, really long time to get to $1 million. Or you're going to have to start with more money, or you're going to have to put in more each month. Okay, so there's different things here. It depends on how much you start with, how much money you put in each month, and what your return is. As I said, investing passively in the stock market is going to give you the best return on your money. Investment length, let's just look at one of these other tabs here. So if your target's $1 million and you're starting with $100 and you have your return 8.5% and you're putting in 160, you will need to invest for 44.88 years. So that's roughly 45 years. So you can play around with the tabs, you can play around with the numbers, but the best thing about the calculator is that it can give you a concrete plan. You actually can see these numbers right in front of you instead of just thinking about, oh, I just want to be a millionaire and I don't really know how to get there and I don't know how long it's going to take me. I don't really have a plan. Well, using a calculator like this is super helpful, super important, and it can give you an idea of what you need to do, how much money you can start with, how much you need to put away, and how long you're going to do it for. Okay? And don't forget, you have to look at your contributions every month as a form of an expense, so you won't say, oh, I'm not going to do it this month, or, I'll put in more money next month. You will, I'm telling you, if you do that, you'll never follow through. It's just like when you make New Year's resolutions, you want to lose weight, you want to go to the gym. Maybe you do it for a short period of time and then it kind of falls off. Don't do that. Really stick to the plan. And, if your goal is, whatever your goal is, you always have to have a plan. You have to have a plan for it. You need a roadmap. This is your roadmap. Okay. So I hope this has been helpful for you. People keep asking me how they can, make $1 million. This is one of the easiest and most passive ways to do it. Now, there are no guarantees. I just want to say that up front. There are years that the stock market is going to go down. So your returns will be down that year. But over time, you have to remember, you have to give yourself a long period of time to invest to really let these numbers work for you. Okay? So there you go. That's how you do it. And as I said, in addition, you'll have money on top of this from your earnings from work and any other savings that you have. And as we do here at the Smart Option Seller, we use options tradings to enhance all of these numbers. So let me just go to our website real quick, talk to you about what we do here at the Smart Option Seller. We're all about option selling, specifically put option selling. If you know nothing about put option selling, go to our website, smartoptionseller.com, click on our free ebook here. What is the free ebook? It's all about selling put options. If you know nothing about selling put options, which to me is one of the greatest options trading strategies of all time, get our free ebook, Put Selling Basics, okay? You can scroll down, put your name and email address in this box here, and you will see the same box all over our website. You only have to do it once. We will send you an email back with a link for the free ebook. Read it, learn it, live it, love it. You will understand what it's all about. If you want to take an even deeper dive, you can go into our video series. It's a 5-part video series, about 5 hours, all about put selling. We go much deeper into it. In addition to this, you get 30 days free to our put selling newsletter, in which we actually sell put options. I tell you what we're doing. I show you what you can do as well if you want to go along with that. Okay, so you can look at our video series. What we offer, here's our services tab. We have 2 newsletters. It's all about selling put options and selling put option credit spreads. These are the first 2 right here. If you know nothing about options trading and you're intrigued about options trading and you want to get a leg up, consider our one-on-one coaching. I will sit down with you for an hour over Zoom and I will answer all your questions. We will talk about what you can do as far as starting options trading. And lastly, we have our probability calculator here that you can use. Great little tool to help you figure out, the chances of a stock moving to point A to point B in X amount of time. It's one of the greatest things that you can do if you want to up your options trading game. Okay, in the links below, please check the links below. I'll put in the link for the investment calculator. I have books down there. If you can see here over my right shoulder, this is my book, Get Rich with Options. Link is down there as well. I've got links for other books, websites, tools that you can use to help you up your options trading game. On the screen here, I'm going to put another video all about selling put options. Watch that. Let's make this my goal for 2025 is to go viral here. I want to help as many people as possible. I make these free videos, help the trading community out. So please give me a thumbs up, a like, leave me a comment, send me an email. I'll always answer your emails. I make these free videos for everybody. All right, that's all for me today. I hope this has been helpful, and tell your friends. I'll see you all in the next one. This is Lee Lowell signing off.